Don't throw away your empty toilet freshener hanger. Instead of buying a new one, do this. Quick and cheap. Grate a bar of soap, preferably glycerin soap. It creates a thick, foamy base and dissolves slowly, making the effect last longer. Now, grab some toothpaste. You definitely have it in your bathroom. Toothpaste helps clean and freshen. Squeeze it onto the grated soap. Then add some laundry scent beads for a strong, fresh fragrance. Add a few tablespoons of baking soda, something you always have at home. It neutralizes odors and helps keep the toilet clean. Mix everything well until you get a firm mass. Form small balls and place them inside the empty hanger. You can also press the mixture directly inside. Hang it on the toilet bowl and flush as usual. Your toilet will stay clean, fresh, and pleasantly scented, without spending money on store-bought products. Eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and effective. Throw some ice cubes into the toilet. This clever trick solves an annoying problem that hardly anyone talks about. Next, pour in your favorite cleaning liquid. Just use whatever you have at home. Then grab some fabric softener. Its anti-static properties help prevent dirt and residue from sticking to the ceramic surface. Plus, it leaves a fresh, long-lasting scent. Add a capful to the toilet. Now it's time for shaving foam. The order of these steps really matters. The foam breaks down grime and acts like an active cleaner. Next, toss in some laundry scent beads. They release a strong fragrance over time and even create a protective layer inside the toilet. Add a bit of dish soap, too. Its degreasing power cuts through dirt and makes the ceramic shine. Let everything sit in the toilet for an hour so the ingredients can work their magic. Then scrub the bowl thoroughly with a toilet brush. Flush and give it another quick scrub. The ice helps loosen deposits and makes the other ingredients work better. This wild combination acts like professional-grade cleaner. Your toilet will be not only clean, but also fresh-smelling, shiny, and looking better than ever. Once a month, I drop this into the toilet tank. Take an empty 500-milliliter bottle and use a toothpick to make small holes, only in the upper part of the bottle. That's very important for it to work properly. Grab a bar of soap in your favorite scent and color. Grate it using the large holes of a grater. Soap has cleaning properties and helps neutralize unpleasant odors. Add the grated soap to the bottle. Now take vinegar, one of the best natural cleaners, and pour about 300 milliliters into the bottle. Close the cap and shake gently. Before using this magic bottle, prepare your toilet. Pour 1 cup of baking soda into the bowl and add vinegar. When it starts to fizz, scrub the surface with a toilet brush. Now place the bottle into the toilet tank. Thanks to the holes in the bottle, every flush will release a mix of soap and vinegar into the water. That means your toilet will be automatically refreshed each time you flush, and limescale and residue will gradually dissolve. Drop this powder into the toilet bowl. It will remove stubborn residue and limescale. Without chlorinated and harmful chemicals, you'll get rid of stains and dirt. Cleaning the toilet has never been so simple. You no longer need to ventilate the bathroom during cleaning to get rid of harmful bleach fumes. This powder will tackle a dirty toilet much faster. Prepare a few powdery products, and the residue in the toilet will disappear. Start with regular flour. Flour adheres well to dirt, making it easier to remove. Our grandmothers already used its cleaning properties. Put 3 tablespoons of flour into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt acts as an antiseptic, disinfectant, and abrasive. Add a little baking soda. It has disinfecting, whitening properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. In a few seconds, you'll make a super powder for cleaning dirt. Before cleaning the toilet, first spray its surface with plain water. Then sprinkle the dirt with this powder. Wait about 20 minutes. After this time, take a brush and scrub the toilet. You'll see that the dirt will come off quickly. The toilet will be cleaner than ever. This breaks down toilet limescale better than a hammer. Cleaning your toilet has never been this easy. This powder tackles grime much faster than anything else. The result is worth it, so watch closely. Just gather a few powdery products, and the buildup will vanish. Start with laundry detergent. It dissolves grease, softens deposits, and cleans effectively. Sprinkle it generously over the toilet bowl. Next, add baking soda. It's a cleaning hero. It disinfects, whitens, and neutralizes odors. It's perfect for fighting dirt and scale. Now bring in some toothpaste. Its polishing particles help remove buildup and restore shine. Spread the paste around the inside of the bowl. Add some dish soap too. It breaks down grime and helps loosen the lime scale. Let everything sit for about 15 minutes so the ingredients can work their magic. Then grab a brush and scrub. The lime scale lifts off effortlessly, and the dirt falls away on its own. Flush, and that's it. A sparkling, fresh, and fragrant toilet, without harsh chemicals or hard scrubbing. Use garlic in the toilet to solve an unpleasant problem with just one ingredient. First, crush a clove of garlic using a garlic press directly into the toilet bowl. Then, prepare the toilet brush by securing it under the toilet seat and pouring dish soap over it. The last ingredient is vinegar. Pour 1 cup of regular vinegar into the bowl. Vinegar effectively removes limescale buildup and contains acetic acid that kills bacteria and microorganisms. It also neutralizes bad odors, keeping the toilet fresh longer. Scrub as usual and see how it cleans and disinfects. This natural cleaner saves you money and helps the environment. Using natural ingredients like garlic and vinegar ensures you're avoiding unnecessary toxins in your home. Try this method regularly for a more eco-friendly and cost-effective approach to maintaining a spotless toilet. This mixture will make your toilet fresher and shinier than ever. With simple ingredients, you can easily get rid of unpleasant odors. Prepare a large bowl and pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap, which will help remove any dirt buildup in the toilet. Next, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, which works great for disinfecting the inside of the toilet. The next ingredient is 1 cup of vinegar, which effectively sanitizes surfaces. After adding these ingredients, pour in hot water to dissolve everything thoroughly. Pour the ready mixture into the toilet bowl and leave it for several minutes so the active foam can break down buildup and disinfect the toilet interior. Then flush with water. After a few minutes, you'll notice a pleasant, clean smell filling your bathroom. Your toilet will be cleaner than ever, and your bathroom will be filled with a fresh, refreshing scent. This is a quick, natural way to maintain hygiene and aesthetics without expensive chemicals. I pour this powder into the toilet and leave it overnight. In the morning, it's like new without scrubbing. This trick will work for busy people's homes. When limescale, dirt, or an unpleasant odor starts to appear in the toilet, you can wash it off without wasting time on cleaning. It turns out that all you need to do is toss a handful of laundry detergent powder into the toilet bowl. Be sure to spread it evenly along the walls. Leave it overnight. In the morning, use a brush to clean the interior of the toilet and flush the water. The powder has water-softening, cleaning, and disinfecting properties. This simple trick leaves the toilet snow white, and you won't even have to lift a finger.